Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. Red times. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. And it also supports our favorite Stellar. So do check out Decent. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet. So do check it out and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording, guys, and let's see what it has been up to lately. So, guys, this is SHX. Currently, the red times are here, guys. Check this out. In the last month, SHX is down 30.74%. The price is 0.004797. The entire market is bleeding, guys. And SHX, after that move up in the last year, I'm going to be showing you, it has if you might call it a dip or a correction or a crash depending on who you talk to, but the entire market is red, guys. Overall, in the last year, we're still up 981.56%. Guys, we cannot even call it red in this time frame. We are all green over here. But obviously, in the last month or so, people have suffered. If you have invested over here, in the long run, we might go up and test all-time highs eventually, hopefully. But if anyone has invested in these at these prices, guys, obviously I know it is tough, it is hard, and I hope that you guys make it through and eventually get into the green zone. But we are now in crucial areas over here. The 0.005 area has also been broken, guys. According to a lot of people, this might go down further and test the 0.003537 mark. But let's see how it goes, guys. Nobody has a crystal ball for sure, but we have some crucial levels around 0.0035, 0.0045 over here as well. Let's hope that the price sustains, but guys, it depends on the entire market as well. The entire market is bleeding. Let me share with you BTC as well over here. Check this out, guys. Everything red, 2.82% down, 7.58%. I do not know which meme shitcoin is this, but regardless, everything, most of the projects I know, guys, are down. So yeah, in the last 7 days, SHX is down 19.26%, red. In the last day as well, guys, the market is red. But guys, $27 million market cap is obviously nothing for what SHX has to offer. This we all know. The volume has picked up a bit, but I would like to see it to get better because the community of SHX is really huge. I really wanted this volume to grow up. $158,000 is nothing for the community that SHX has. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the posts and official X handle of Stronghold as well. Let's see what is happening lately. So, guys, check this out. SHX, IBM, CSPR, XLM, guys. These are the projects that I discuss as well. If you haven't seen already Casper Labs video, we discuss it. It is associated with IBM as well, and so are SHX and XLM. So check this out. Someone has posted this. VELO and SHX are starting to get the XRP treatment. That leads me to believe that those two assets will have me looking for properties on season 2 of owning Manhattan. I do not know what this is. You mean XLM treatment? XLM has been hammered much worse over the years than XRP. I do not know, guys, what this stand for. Look, will have me looking for properties on season 2 of Owning Manhattan. I'm sorry, but I would really like you guys to enlighten me with this. What is this all for? I get the XRP and XLM treatment. I just want to know that the season 2 of Owning Manhattan, I'm not understanding what he's trying to say. Mr. Sleepy Wealth, aka Digital Luxury. Anyways, guys, this is some of the technical analysis over here, the aggregate. Here's my range I'm looking at with SHX. I'm comfortable with the yellow box. So what is the yellow box over here? It starts from almost 0.005 and he might DCA all the way to 0.0035 almost. I told you guys that 0.0045 seems to be a support zone as well as 0.0035. So he is seconding that opinion and consolidating our opinion as well over here, the aggregate. So has anyone replied? No. The reason a super cycle is coming, which will be a much percentage growth than 2017 and 2021, is because more people are in crypto than ever, and people still get FOMO. Whales will need more liquidity than ever to take profits because of the number of people in these projects. This is Green Knuckles. The last 3 days, 72 trust lines created, 60 trust lines funded, 5 burned from the total supply, 27%, approximately 9,900 of the current 36,610 funded trust lines hold 1,000 or less. Food for thought. Okay, so Green Knuckles always shares these guys. He is constantly updating the community about this. A really old member, by the way, Green Knuckles. Moon Commander SHX did a 20x pump this cycle from 0.0005 to 1 cent and made 50% correction to 0.005 existing price. So this is what I'm talking about, guys, that in comparison to what it has done, guys, it is nothing. This correction is nothing in comparison to what SHX has already done, by the way. The good thing is early SHX OGs are still sitting on a nice 10x, and by the time we hit our 12-cent mark target, we're up by 240x, guys. It's going to be a lot, guys, a huge move up. Do you really believe that 240x will come this cycle? Eventually, obviously, guys, it has the potential to do even more in the next in the bull run after this one. But what do you guys think about the next bull run? Will this mark be achieved? 12 cents. Be early, spot, and chill will hit. Cool. Quant, Triple, Stellar, and Zinfin will probably be bigger and better than WhatsPay, maybe, but if you buy tokens now, the return of investment is better for WTK, a WTK post. So this is SHX by Thingol. What is he saying? Okay, just a moment. Rails launches with 6.2 million round for its decentralized FTX alternative. Okay. Uh, as such, Thingol always shares really interesting posts about VELO, SHX. Okay, Bumbra shared that he's heard from hedge funds saying they want to trade crypto but don't have a route to do so. Rails hopes to be that opening. Its main clientele will be market makers on the supply side and primarily institutional clients and high net worth investors on the demand side. Guys, institutional clients and institutional demand will come eventually, guys, and projects such as SHX, XRP, VELO, they're going to be benefiting from these institutional players because they are basically constructing these partnerships, guys, like SHX with IBM and VELO with Visa. I think these are huge partnerships, guys. They are building infrastructures. Regardless of the price action at the moment, guys, the partnerships of these projects are strong. Let's see what the official X handle of Stronghold has to say. Is anything new? We shared this post already in the last video. Okay, so what is this? Don't miss out. Get the competitive edge with ISO 20022 Labs. So let's see what this is. Are you ready for ISO 20022? The Fedwire Funds Service March 2025 implementation is approaching fast. Okay, so there will be a narrative about ISO 20022, regardless of the use case and everything. When the market has a trendy word coming up like ISO 20022, and when March 2025 approaches, I think these ISO coins are going to be doing well. Uh, Regardless of the utility, guys, I'm talking about mere hype as well, guys, at this point, because utility will eventually come, but I think we're still in the hype phase in this space. It rhymed well, hype phase in this space. So a good title in the future. Okay. According to the latest Datos report, 57% of US corporate finance professionals are keen on automated payables and receivable software. 46% are planning to use ISO 20022 right now, and estimated 70% have already adopted it. That is awesome. That is really great. What else do we have? Okay, so be ready, 20022 Labs. Awesome. What else do we have? Innovate with us, be a part of our engineering team as a senior software engineer, solve challenging customer problems, and design scalable solutions. So, guys, if somewhere is a software engineer and they want to join the Stronghold team, they can basically check this out and apply. What is this? Learn the lingo with our fintech word of the day, DAO. Okay, so DAO is obviously decentralized autonomous organization, making stuff decentralized, and the voting mechanism and decision making body. Okay, what excites you the most about the future of blockchain technology? Guys, smart contracts, DeFi, everything is they all have a lot of potential, guys. Supply chain transparency. Let us go with DeFi and let's see how many people. Yeah, 56.5%. But I really wanted to vote for smart contracts. But anyways, so guys, do you think that these red times, how long will they exist? And do you think that does this discourage you as an investor, or do you really believe in Stronghold SHX for the long run in terms of fundamentals? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.